8 minus 5 times bracket 8 minus 5 bracket close is equal to question mark. So here we have to find the value for this expression. So 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. So 3 3 is a 9. But this is the wrong answer. Because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule, we have to first solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, then addition, subtraction. So here you have to remember, in multiplication and division both have equal priorities. So we have to go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So let's solve according to this rule. So 8 minus 5 times 8 minus 5 is equal to question mark. So first we have to solve this parenthesis, means this bracket part. So 8 minus 5 times 8 minus 5 is what? 3. Then from this minus and multiplication, first priority is what? Multiplication part. So solve 8 minus 5 3 is 15. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. So minus 7 is the correct answer.